bulldozer. A bulldozer transports goods and removes building materials. Grader. A grader aligns the construction site with an iron blade. Concrete mixer. A concrete mixer. It transports concrete. Concrete is an important building material. Truck crane. Truck crane, the tallest car on the construction site, lifts and carries loads with the help of a long arrow arm.